In this video, we will discuss about simplification of algebraic expressions. Generally, in case of simplification, everything is included, including addition, subtraction, and multiplication. What we have done till now in this chapter. Okay, so let's elaborate this with an example. Let's do a question. Simplify a plus 2b into 2a minus 5b plus 6c minus twice a plus 3b times c. So here we have multiplication of binomial with trinomial, also subtraction and multiplication of a monomial with a binomial. Everything is included. We will see how to solve this kind of problems. So let us first write the question. 2a minus 5b plus 6c minus 2a plus 3b plus c. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to apply distributive law here for this multiplication. First we will solve the multiplication parts. Okay, this part and this part, these two parts have multiplication. So first we will separately solve these two parts, then we will go for addition and subtraction. So here we can see that a times this trinomial 2a minus 5b plus 6c plus 2b times 2a minus 5b plus 6c. Then if we solve this, minus into 2a minus 2a, minus 2a into c will be minus 2ac. Have you understood? Minus into 2a is minus 2a, then minus 2a into c will be minus 2ac. Again minus into 3b is minus 3b, minus 3b into c will be minus 3bc. In the next step we will break this bracket. A into twice is twice a square minus 5ab plus a into 6c 6ac, then plus 2 to the 4 into b into a is 4ab, plus minus is minus, so 2 into 5 10, b into b is b square. Be very careful with that. If you need, you can write one more step. Okay, 2b into 6c, b plus 2 6 are 12, b into c will be bc, then minus 2ac minus 3bc. In this way we have broken all the terms. Now our next step will be to rearrange all the like terms. Okay, so first is our 2a square. We should check whether we have more a square terms or not. We don't have any more a square terms. Then we'll move on to ab minus 5ab, then here we have plus 4ab, then again we don't have any more ab. After ab we'll go for ac plus 6ac. Do we have more ac here? Here minus 2ac. After ac, ab we have already taken. Then let's take this bc, 12bc and 3bc plus 12bc minus 3bc. Then we'll take this b square term minus 10 of b square. Okay, so next step will be 2a square minus ab same, so Minus 5 plus 4 will be minus 1. So minus 1 AB will be minus AB. Minus 1 AB and minus AB are same thing. Then we have 6 AC minus 2 AC. 6 minus 2 will be 4. So plus 4 AC. Then 12 BC minus 3 BC. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So plus 9 BC. Then minus 10 B square. So our final answer is 2A square minus AB plus 4AC plus 9BC minus 10B square. So in this way we will solve problems regarding simplification. First we will break the brackets, we will apply multiplication, break the brackets, then we will arrange the like terms, then we will accordingly perform addition and subtraction.